Good morning, family. I'm SNwadiei. I'm Habasya, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. And the main person getting help this morning is me. I am looking at so many different animals, well, birds this morning, I'm telling you. It's before sunrise, but I'm in my new digs, y'all. I'm digging it, y'all. I'm digging it. Like they say, good thing comes to those who wait. Wait upon the Most High, and I believe. Like they say, I believe. Oh yeah, I believe. 'Cause I didn't even imagine this place. Didn't even imagine this place. It didn't look like this on the Airbnb. They didn't do it justice with the photography. And I'm glad. Because I'm pleasantly surprised, y'all. Pleasantly surprised. So anyway, how y'all doing this morning? No matter where y'all are in the world, I sure hope that y'all are feeling fabulous. I am. Oh, y'all. I haven't seen so many big birds. We won't think of what kind of birds it is, but they pretty in a way. I'm going to be taking better photography. I don't know if I can upload it until I get back home, but I will definitely take it with my other camera. I'm going to turn this around so y'all can see what I'm seeing, okay? Okay, y'all. I know the quality is not that great because it's not that kind of camera. So I have to go back inside and get my other camera so I can give y'all some detail. I'm sorry that this one doesn't really do detail the same. But you can see objects, but not as clear when they're far away. So I'm gonna go back in and get the good camera and take some still shots and see if I can get them to upload to Google Photos. And if I can do that from my laptop, then I can incorporate it with this video and y'all can see. But in the meantime, y'all at least can see in general what I'm seeing. That's what the camera phone affords us. Little snippets of what I'm saying. But look, beautiful scenery though, anyway, right? And that's from the privacy fence, being where you can at least peep and see what's going on. And I let y'all see my garden. And then we'll look as the sun is rising. I didn't really look in detail at this. These bougainvilleas are my favorite. At least you can see the details of these. This camera is good for up close detail. Not so much from far away. I'll get my other camera with the zoom lens to do that, guys. And then y'all can see in general what I'm seeing far away. My neighbors walking around and stuff. And I know y'all can hear the birds in the background. wish y'all could see I got really close on those little birds. It's magnificent, y'all. I wish I could have seen closer. But it's iPhone, y'all. Not my other camera. Like I say, I'll try my best with the other camera in a minute to get some still photos. And I just wanted y'all to have some of this morning sounds and sights. So when I'm seeing through my privacy fence, the front is really open, even though the sides are higher up. So this is one of the better designed privacy fence I've seen, where you still feel secure, but you can see the people passing by if you want. I don't think I'm taking any more pictures in front of that door. I'm too brown to be in front of a brown door. Oh, y'all. I guess the birds are trying to accommodate me so y'all can see them up close and personal. Since I don't have the other camera. Y'all think I'm turning into one of those people that can talk to the animals? I don't know. This is interesting, y'all. I've never seen so much nature, y'all. I don't even need the other camera for this, because they're moving so much. You can see some detail. Not as much as with the other camera, but it doesn't matter. So much motion. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna have to surely redo this. Do this every morning. This is beautiful. I like this. You see the animals and the people pass by. I mean, this is wonderful. All these little bitty birds. I don't know what kind of birds they are, y'all, but they're small. I don't know how close it's gonna let me get before it flies away. Y'all, I don't know how to act. It's just different angles of light. You can see some of the birds better. I'm gonna have to cut this short in a minute, because y'all know I won't be able to upload if I don't. I don't know how much detail y'all can see, but hope y'all are enjoying this. Well, guys, that was a treat for me this morning. if you got to compare birds to birds, I'm enjoying these better. Even though I love the other ones, bird songs. This one I actually get to see them moving about. Oh, wow. And got to share that with y'all. But anyways, until next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. Stay tuned for the next upload. I'm gonna chronicle as many events as possible. And I am fighting the mosquitoes, even though I did put my insect repellent on this morning. It's like gangster mosquitoes out here. Almost like Texas, and even the flies. But anyway, y'all, stay tuned. Subscribe if you have not. It's free, y'all. And I don't care who got this subscription in your family. I want everybody watching to subscribe. It's free, y'all. Get those subscriberships up. Not just one person in the family subscribe, y'all. Everybody that got a YouTube account, or get a YouTube account. It's free, y'all. Subscribe, like, share. And I'm out, y'all. From my new, I call it Venus apartment in paradise. Nature's paradise. Loving my birds and my people passing by. Bye, guys. Fighting the flies, though, and the mosquitoes. Just for y'all. Bye.